Luminary is craftsmanship. It's innovation, it's design and technology combined. Luminary is a very modern car. It doesn't look back at all in Rolls-Royce's history. It's a very contemporary execution, and it's looking at what we can do now. Every aspect of the car has been taken to the next level and enhanced in some way. Every feature has been magnified. We wanted to redefine Wraith, and in doing so, we wanted to embed the car with light. We considered the term the golden hour, that perfect time of the day when the sun is either dipping behind the horizon or is about to rise. There are a number of features in the car that really enhance the driving experience. First of all, we have the illuminated Cannondale. So this is a veneer that sits on the door cards of the interior and is a beautiful expanse of veneer grain, which is then enhanced by the light that comes through it. Secondly, we have the Shooting Star headliner. This is all about really enhancing the light within the car and creating something truly magical. This is the first time that's been done in the automotive industry. Within Rolls-Royce, there's this combination of art and design and craftsmanship. It's all about creating this passion and excitement. Rolls-Royce customers get to experience the pinnacle of everything, and Wraith Luminary is the ultimate GT.
There are those that lead the way. Then there are those that light it.